This is Fox's Bow Whiskey. We exist to call bullshit on the archaic rules in whiskey. That it's only for men, that there's a right and a wrong way to drink it, to which we say, zero fucks given. The Irish whiskey category is on fire, but looking up at the shelves, it may seem all the whiskies look the same. A sea of green and black bottles with the same traditional designs, castles and rolling hills. But we feel those whiskies aren't reflective of the vibrant Ireland of today, and they sure as fuck aren't reflective of the new generation of whiskey drinkers. Enter Fox's Bow. With a distinct lack of respect for rules and a severe impatience with the status quo, we're a brand for anyone, but we won't be for everyone. Fox's Bow Whiskey is a straight-up blended whiskey with a fair bit of character, finished in rye casks. The result is a delicious, well-balanced whiskey with an extra layer of spice. A bit like us. You may love us, or you may hate us, but one thing you won't be able to do is ignore us. In a sea of black and green, we bring neon. So who are we, and what gives us the right? Good question. First, there's Tony, a sneaker fanatic, and proof that not all accountants are boring. Next up is Alice, our proven whiskey marketer and stalker of collaborators. The last of our founders is Liam, who draws pictures for a living. That's what architects do, right? And bringing the grey hair to the group is industry veteran Patrick O'Driscoll. So we talk a big game, and we have big ambitions, but can we follow through? Well, we just launched in November 2021, and I think the results speak for themselves. Now it's your chance to get involved and join the pack. We're scaling up and are ready to bring Fox's Bow to new export markets, building a brand that can truly disrupt the whiskey space. Are you ready to run with foxes?